Today I have Alcatel Go Flip 3. And today we're going to the clock app. It has alarm timer and stopwatch. I forgot that there was a clock in the clock app. You can set alarms, timers, world clocks, or even start a stopwatch. This flip phone is good. Thanks to Metro by T-Mobile for having this Alcatel flip phone. 30-point megapixel camera and a cool speaker. So I will get this Alcatel Go Flip 3 at the store. Or buy it in Black Market or Amazon. This baby right here, I will give it a 10 out of 10. Because it's the best of the best phone ever. Thank you.